You are going to love the 2017 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, body color door handles, tire pressure monitoring system, braking assist, front license plate bracket, power brakes, battery saver. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.